Lord mercy! What are these? So withered and so wild in their attire. These do not look like inhabitants of the earth. Speak if you can. What are you? All hail, my king. Head to the road of Glamis. What prediction are these? These creatures shivering or not? If you can predict the future, speak to me. Predict my future as well. All hail, my king. Hail to the Lord of Gondor. All hail, my men! Who shall be king hereafter? Can the devil be true? Oftentimes the instruments of Lulus into the false sense of security from hide us, deepest, darkest, greater consequences. Hail! Hail! Hail!
I'm glad to hear about your success, but you are meant for greater. Just as the witch's prophecies, you shall become king. There is no way you can ascend the throne with Duncan and Malcolm in your way.
My dear Lord, Duncan come here tonight.
Look like an innocent flower, but be the serpent underneath. I hope you got me.
How can I commit such a crime? King Duncan, double trust. I am his loyal and trusted kingsman, and with his faithful subject, we will have to proceed no further with his plan. Aren't you afraid? What if we fail?
We fear? Those words do not go together in our case. Master courage. What can't you and I perform on that unguarded Duncan? And after you commit the murder, we'll blame it on his drunken guards.
Why do you take his life then?
My lord, I'm a fine lady. You know, it's according to my gender. I only wish and plan this for your benefit.
I have done the deed. I have done it. Did you hear a noise? Did you?
And you bought the dagger as a souvenir? Why did you bring the dagger from the place? It must lie there. Take it back there and make sure you smear the guards with blood.
Please, please, I will more than. I am afraid to think. What if we fail?
I will do it then.
Lord of great Neptune ocean, wash this blood clean from my hand.
A little water clears us of this deed.
Murder, treason, away. Banco, our loyal master murdered.
In our house? Oh my lord! Oh heavens!
On hearing the news of their father's death, the king's sons had chosen to leave Scotland. Now only Macbeth is enough worthy to be a king. I repent of my fury that I did kill the guards that took lives, many including my right hand Banco.
Kavya couldn't make my little hand sweeten. Am I troubled by the vengeful ghosts of the innocence? Am I losing my sanity? My heart is deeply burdened by the guilt caused by the sinful act.
What must do now should take the leaves, drunken sons, or when they hand me over to the hungry lions before I could do anything, going against God me and never a lie, and now there is no place for me, and no on earth nor heaven or hell. It was my greed, it changed me, it turned me. I am not something, I am not someone, I am not. Can I forgive it? Can I? Things have gone wrong with Macbeth. Should we blame Incas? Earlier, we were only forget to maintain petty details. Hey, weak-minded Macbeth, you couldn't be aware of the consequences.
असीम और अनैतिक महत्वाकांक्षा मनुष्य को विनाश की ओर ले जाती है। यह नाटक सिखाता है कि जब कोई व्यक्ति सत्ता और सफलता की लालसा में अपने विवेक, नैतिकता और मानवता को त्याग देता है, तो अंततः उसे भय, अपराध बोध और पतन का सामना करना पड़ता है। धन्यवाद।